everybody, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Sadie and I make videos all about decorating and cleaning. That is my life. Today's video is all about cleaning our spaces. My house is in disarray again. I let it go over the weekend. I usually like to take a break, so I'm paying for it now. Before I start cleaning, I have started to write down what I need to do. This has been really helpful because I'm an easily distracted person and I lose my cleaning motivation really fast. So just writing it down helps me stay focused and keeps me organized. And I highly recommend you do it too if you are like me. I will be starting with cleaning the kitchen first because it is the one area that I really can't function if I just leave it a mess and then tend to the other areas. What is your guys' go-to area? Like, what do you like to clean first that is like a must? For me, it is the kitchen, and then I feel like all the other cleaning kind of just goes smoothly. I have a pretty small kitchen, so I don't have like a huge amount of mess to clean, but just like the normal things, like the day-to-day things, like wiping the counters, washing the dishes, just tidying up. So that is what I'm gonna do for probably the first half or so of this part. Well, while we're cleaning, I thought I would kind of give you a backstory about who I am because I haven't really spoken much on my channel. So if you are new or even to my current followers, I'm a stay-at-home wife and I suffer from a chronic pain condition called TMJ. It is a jaw disorder and I've had it for about a decade now. And yeah, it hasn't been pleasant. I am always cleaning. My life consists of cleaning. I have mentioned this in all of my videos. I love it, but I hate it at the same time. And I don't know if you guys can relate, but there's just something about it. It's like you love a clean space, but sometimes you just don't really want to clean. And I'm pretty sure we all have those moments. And I have them quite often because I don't feel well all the time. I also love to decorate and I am a very crafty person, so that is kind of like my enjoyment bit. I love journaling, just anything crafts I am all about. Cleaning has its benefits, of course. Everything has pros and cons. It can be very draining, tiresome, a repetitive process, but it has so many benefits. It really helps with my mental health. I just love having a clean space. My surroundings are organized and it just smells nice and clean. It just really makes all of the other like cons go away. But yeah, that's me. That's just a little bit of me that I'm sharing, all kind of crazy and randomly. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. I just kind of ripped off the tag because I have, I think, lavender in the spray bottle. And yeah, I can't use a fall scent because my husband is allergic or something. He always has a sneezing fit. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and checking off my first task completed. Next up, we will be tackling the bedroom. So I will be making my bed. I'm kind of getting to it a little bit late. I've been trying to get in the habit of making it right after I get up or at least after breakfast, and I kind of get to it later in the day. So I'm trying to change that, but it is one of the most enjoyable things for me to pick up because I am a blanket lover and like fanatic. I just love linens. And I don't know, there's just something about making your bed. It's just really calming and relaxing. The next area to clean is the living room. I have an open concept home, which is like majority of homes these days. So once one area is a mess, then the whole space is a mess. Or shall I say, looks like a mess. I am just removing all of the pillows and blankets because I'm going to fluff the couch, and I think I'm going to kind of depill it a little bit on a couple of the cushions. Pretty much where Free lays, which is like on that left corner side. She has a lot of hair that has built up. This couch is so tiresome because it's like a giant pillow. You have to fluff it. It's the Sevesto sectional from Ashley's Furniture. We've had it for like 3 or 4 years now, and it's just really comfy. I love it, but the fluffing gets kind of annoying. And update, Free finally, I think about a month or so ago, stopped jumping on the top of the couch. She used to always jump on the top of the cushions and lay up there, especially in the corner, and she's finally stopped that. And I'm so happy because it was driving me crazy, and I just thought it was like nothing was gonna work, but she's finally stopped doing that. And I'm like, yes, I have an area that's safe for my blankets, but that's been really nice. Fluffing my couch is something that I used to do all the time, but then I just really got tired of doing it every day. So now I do it like every other day, and I feel that works best for me. So I am taking a couple of the cushions I mentioned earlier that have a lot of fuzz and hair just built up, and I'm taking a disposable razor. I have an actual shaver for the couch, but I don't like the way it works, and I feel like the razor that I use on myself works way better. So that's what I'm doing. I'm improvising. I know I wrote down that I was going to wash like the pillows and blankets today, but I don't think I got to it. I tried my best to do everything on my list, but I really don't think I cleaned them. I think I'm saving it for another day because I was really exhausted. This is like one of my favorite spots during this time of year. I love how this turned out. I love all the fall decor, the cozy blankets, even though it's blazing outside and I'm pretending that it's nice and cold temperatures. I just love the way it looks during fall season. It is my favorite. Next, I am just gonna be picking up all the clothes my husband left on the floor. I swear, in a sock that fell under the table. I'm cleaning off the floors because I am about to vacuum everywhere because there's so much dog hair and dust buildup. I don't know, ever since we moved to Texas and we bought this house, like there is a lot of dust that accumulates. I don't know if it's because it's more drier temperatures here in San Antonio or like Texas in general, but it gets pretty nasty pretty fast. So I'm just going to vacuum all of the floors and get all that dust gone because we be sneezing like crazy. And this is usually a chore that flares me up. I don't usually like to do it, at least the aftermath of it, but it has to get done. And I don't know, when I'm doing it, I'm like, oh yeah, I got this. But it's literally after I'm done doing it, I'm like, oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. one thing I absolutely love about our new house is that it is small. It's a one-story. It's just so cozy and perfect for just me, my husband, and our dog. We used to live in a two-story, really like probably a couple hundred more square feet bigger, but the two-story really made a difference, and this is just so much more easier to keep up with. I am also vacuuming all of the rugs. So I already did the kitchen jute rug, which jute rugs really have a lot of lint and dust. I always get a lot in my vacuum every time I vacuum them. I'm just gonna vacuum this area because Free loves to have her toys and stuff. And there's always like little particles. So I just want to refresh this space. I'm vacuuming this rug as well. I've always wanted a jute rug underneath the bed, and I was so happy when we got it. And then we got Free, and she had a couple accidents and she discolored some parts of it, which broke my heart. But it's not too noticeable, so it's okay. This rug, as you can see, really sheds and has a lot of builds up. I don't know. It has a lot of fibers or whatever it is. It just there's always a lot that comes out of it. And I try to vacuum it weekly, and I decided to vacuum behind her crate as well. What is cleaning without laundry? I feel like I have laundry every day, you guys. I cannot keep up with it. I don't know. I think it's time to do a purge of my closet because it is overwhelming and I don't wear most of the clothing that I have. Are you guys the type that love to fold laundry and find it relaxing? I'm really curious because I am the complete opposite. I can't stand doing it. It is a big hurdle for me to get it done. Like, I can't stand doing this. It is tiring. It hurts. I don't know. I just don't like it. I'll wash it, I'll dry it, but when it comes to folding and putting it away, God, it's rough. So now I'm just checking off the things that I did complete. I did not finish my whole list, unfortunately. I was just too tired from doing the vacuuming. And yeah, I'll just save it for another day. Now I'm finally going to have some time to myself, and I'm working on a DIY for Christmas. I am super excited for all the DIYs I have to come, and I hope you guys stick around to see them. I hope you found this video enjoyable, got some cleaning motivation, and thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!